पधारोनी मारे देश रे पधारोनी.
Good morning students. In my previous video we have discussed about the monuments of India. Now in this video we will discuss about some monuments of Rajasthan. As you know, Rajasthan is a place of kings, their palaces, and approximate 163 monuments of national importance are present in Rajasthan. So have a look some of them. Yes, this is the fort which is located almost 11 km away from Jaipur city. The name of this fort is Amer. It is built by Raja Man Singh. The right blend of Hindu and Muslim architectural style is the great feature of this fort. Ganesh Pole inside the Amer fort is the best example of this style. The gorgeous Mauta Lake is in front of this fort, enhances its beauty. We can enjoy picturesque views of the Jaipur from the top of this fort. Kesar Kyari and Sheesh Mahal is the most attraction of this fort. These marvelous monuments with mind-blowing architecture located in the city of Jaipur. It is also known as Wind Palace. It is constructed with pink and red sandstone. It's a combination of Rajasthani and Mughal architectural style. It is designed by Lal Chand Ustad and constructed by Samai Pratap Singh. 1799, the designer of this architecture dedicated his work to Lord Krishna and Radhe. It is a 5-storied building with 953 windows on its outside wall. The strictly traditional Rajputs didn't like their women folk to have appeared in public, so they could watch the religious ceremonies and royal processions that pass through the street by these windows. If you want to enjoy the magnificent view of the royal city Jodhpur, then you can visit this fort. Yes, this is Mehrangarh Fort. This fort is the most captivating fort in the state. This fort is spread over 5 kilometers and it was built by Rav Jodha in 1459. There are 7 gates to enter in this fort, and each of that gate constructed by different rulers at different times. They built these gates in honor of the victory over Jaipur and Bikaner armies. Inside the fort, Moti Mahal, Takht Vilas, Jhanki Mahal, and 2 temples, Chamundi Devi Temple and Nag Nachaiya Ji Mandir is there. A large museum is also the center of attraction, which displays a large collection of musical instruments, royal costumes and paintings. It is the largest and oldest fort in Rajasthan. It is Chittorgarh Fort. Many historical stories of courage and sacrifice associated with this fort. It is the land of many legendary Rajasthani heroines such as the Rani Padmini, Karnavati and Mirabai. In this fort, Rani Padmini Palace, Badal Mahal, Ratan Singh's Palace is there. Kirti Stambh and Vijay Stambh is also there. Kirti Stambh, which was built by Rana Kumbha to memorize the victory over the Khilji dynasty, and Vijay Stambh is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. 7 gates are here for Chittorgarh Fort. It is the largest fort in India Beautiful sandstone Havelis are a great attraction of Jaisalmer with a wealth of culture and heritage. So this Haveli, Patwon ki Haveli, is the most beautiful and one of the largest Haveli in Rajasthan. It is also known as Salim Singh ki Haveli. It was built almost 300 years ago. This carved Haveli is divided into 6 apartments that has nearly 5-story height. Paintings are located on the walls. Dhara. It is an ancient haunted village in Jaisalmer. The narrow deserted streets of this village are a source of ghost stories and paranormal activities. Located almost 17 kilometers away from Jaisalmer, it was home to more than 1500 Paliwal Brahmins, but the entire population vanished in the dark of a night. People believe that they left the area with a curse that still haunt this village. According to rumors, an evil Prime Minister Salim Singh set his eyes on a Paliwal Brahman girl and decided to marry her. So her parents left village with the girl and the entire community to save the girl from the rude Prime Minister. So no one can spend an entire day in the village. It is amongst the most famous monuments in Rajasthan for the breathtaking architecture and rich history. Kumbhalgarh is a small town in Rajsamand, located 64 kilometers away from Udaipur. It is a hill fort in Rajasthan, built on foothills of Aravalli Range. It is surrounded by 13 hill peaks of this mountain range. A grand thick wall of about 15 kilometers long surrounds this fort. It is considered the second longest wall in the world after the Great Wall of China. Junagarh Fort. It stands as the testimony for the grand Rajputana architecture until 20th century. This fort was known as the name of the Chintamani Mahal. It is built by Raja Rai Singh in 1588 in Bikaner. This fort is not located on the hilltop. It is located in the heart of Bikaner city. A part of this fort has been converted into a museum that houses many artifacts, paintings, and historic items. I hope you all have enjoyed that visit of monuments of Rajasthan. Thank you for watching it. Thank you.